Hi guys, I have a phone and this is Samsung Galaxy on7 Pro, the old model. So it has a home screen button. First, we'll switch it off to learn about more of this. We'll first switch it off. It's switching off. Then, once that happens, let's take the cover out. You take the cover. Let's take this plastic out. So this is the plastic. That's enough. And it's switched off. Make sure it's switched off, or else your phone might be getting a kind of anything. So this is our battery, and let's remove the battery. And this is my SanDisk. I'll show it. This is my SanDisk SD card, and this is called the memory card. And let's keep this aside carefully. And my SIM went a bit closer, so I can't take it out. And it's Geo. So let me say one thing. You know how a phone works? I'll tell it. I'll first put them all back and I'll start the explanation and memory time. First, check if those lines are there on the battery. And you see those here? Just connect them. Then finished. Battery inserted. Now, we must put this plastic. First check which is the opening and which is not. Because if you put the opposite way, you will not be able to take photos and videos. Make sure this camera hole is shown up there. And the camera should come up. And the flashlight make sure the flashlight and the speaker should be at the hole. If it doesn't, it might be your flashlight must have been broken. That's finished. Now let me start my explanation. Now you know how this charges. Once the charging process starts, I'll show.